Meaning of fretfully.
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 Fretfully. Fretfully means to do something in an agitated or anxious manner, often due to worry or frustration. When someone is fretful, they may display signs of restlessness, irritability, or nervousness. This can manifest itself through physical symptoms such as fidgeting, biting nails, or clenching fists. A person who is fretful may also struggle to concentrate or make decisions as their mind is preoccupied with concerns or uncertainties. Ultimately, being fretful can lead to a sense of unease and dissatisfaction, as one feels unable to address the source of their worries and emotions in a productive way.